This video is on the properties of water. Today we'll be discussing why some of the properties of water occur. However, this list isn't exhaustive and only covers some of the main areas. Many of the properties of water can be explained by the polar nature. This means that some areas of a water molecule are positively charged and other parts are negatively charged. These areas of positivity and negativity are attracted to each other. Water molecules can also form hydrogen bonds between one another, which are a strong type of intermolecular bonding. The first property of water we'll discuss is the high boiling point. This is due to those very strong hydrogen intermolecular bonds, which can absorb a large amount of energy before it causes water to melt or to evaporate. The next property is that water has a high specific heat capacity. This means that water can absorb a large amount of energy before it changes temperature itself. This is why pools remain cold even on hot days. The next property is that water is less dense in the solid state than in the liquid state. In most compounds, solids are more dense than liquids. However, because as ice forms, it expands and forms a regular lattice. This makes it less dense than water and allows ice to float on water. Water also has a high surface tension. This is why you can slightly overfill a glass and it won't topple over the edges. It's also why some insects can walk along the surface of water. Water has a high surface tension because the molecules on the surface are stuck together very tightly with hydrogen bonds. The last property of water is that it's a very good solvent. Sometimes it's even referred to as the universal solvent. Due to the polar nature of water, it can dissolve a large range of compounds, particularly other polar compounds and ionic compounds. Thanks for watching this video on the properties of water, and be sure to check out my other Year 11 chemistry videos.